कोविड का लॉकडाउन लगा हुआ है एंड आई एम इन माई रूम विथ माई लैपटॉप मिंटिंग माई फर्स्ट NFT का ट्रेंड चला हुआ है. People drawing these stupid drawings and selling it for thousands of dollars. I'm like, why not? Let's hop on this trend. अपना भी कुछ डिजिटल आर्ट बनाते हैं और उसकी NFT बना देते हैं. माला माल हो जाऊँगा. एंड मैंने कल अपना एक नया NFT का थीम पेज बनाया इंस्टाग्राम पे. उस पर 5 फॉलोअर्स आए हैं जो मेरे स्कूल के दोस्त हैं. एंड आई एम डूइंग दिस जस्ट बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू get rich quick. I was on a streak of every day watching these videos on YouTube, how to get rich quick. This crazy website, this app is going to make hundreds of dollars per day. This cool trick is going to make you $1,200 per month. I'm like, $1,200? That's about more than 1 lakh per month. Guys, let's try this. I am failing venture after venture. I have tried theme pages, I have tried NFT, I have tried affiliate marketing, I have tried drop shipping. I have also been a part of an MLM scheme, which is a multi-level marketing scheme, and you have to add people under you. 2 बंदे जोड़ो उसके अंदर और 2 बंदे जोड़ो उसके अंदर और 2. So ये सब चल रहा है. And because of this mindset, I lose 3 years. अगर मैंने वो 3 साल कोई एक स्किल को दिए होते, I would have been so ahead. This all culminated in this summer where I was trying to grow an AI automation agency, and I wanted my first client in the first 2 months only. And I was din raat, I was all in. I was putting all my effort that I could. But things don't happen easily. Businesses are built with years of experiences, with skills, with knowledge. And if you don't spend years cultivating this, kuch nahi hoga. And I realized this after wasting 3 to 4 years chasing these get rich tomorrow schemes. It will save you a lot of time if you listen to this video and get rid of that temporal myopia. I have myopia in my eyes, I can't see far. But with this chashma, I can see. So this video is going to be your chashma, so that you can see far into the future of what you actually need to do to cure this blindness. बस अभी जो सामने है उसको जल्दी से जल्दी कर लो, उसको immediately gratify कर लो. Bro, this mentality is for fools. This is a foolproof method of earning $700 a day. You are the fool. The method is not foolproof, you are the fool. So listen to this very carefully. The stakes are very high. If you ignore this, your health will decrease. If you are like, oh, abs in 30 days, अगर तुम पूरी मेहनत करके बना भी लो abs in 30 days, your habits will not change. You're still eating that mithai. You're still eating that junk food whenever your friend gives a party, right? So there needs to be a big amount of change, and that can't happen in very small amount of time. If you are like this, you'll not focus on your health, you'll not be investing in insurance, you'll not be investing towards your pension schemes, and your finances will be broke. You will be broke. Because for planning out your future, you need long-sightedness, right? So if you still ignore this, you're going to be a super mediocre person who just cares about living paycheck to paycheck. How do you identify this myopia? Temporal myopia. The temporal means time-based myopia. So you do just one simple thing. You identify 3 types of patterns. First of all, if you don't have any long-term plan, you are suffering from temporal myopia. If you don't have any plans कि मुझे क्या करना है, मुझे क्या करना चाहिए, मुझे क्या चाहिए, then society will hand you something, and most often it will be something mediocre. And second type of thing is get dash quick. Get abs in 30 days. Get $700 per month with this quick app, bro. This is the number one thing. Nothing worthwhile, nothing fulfilling can be achieved in short time. Anything that builds character requires time. You need to understand this. If somebody would have told me in my teens, I would have been a very different person today. But we all learn from experience. And the third thing is, if you think and act on your impulsive thoughts की मतलब मुझे कुछ खाने का मन कर रहा है यार, अभी अभी खा लेते हैं, कुछ चिप्स आके खा लिए, बर्गर लेके खा लिया, सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक पी ली, ये सब इम्पल्सिव थॉट्स पे अगर तुम रोज़ एक्शन करते जाओगे, you will end up in a bad place. If you are like impulsive thought, यार रील्स देखने का मन कर रहा है, 2 घंटे रील्स देखने में ख़त्म कर दिए. Time is not cheap. You should not waste your time like that. Then if you identify that, the next step is to mitigate this, to reduce this. And for that you have to be aware of these thought patterns. जब भी तुम्हारे दिमाग में ये सब thoughts आए, whenever you are wanting to do this thing or that thing impulsively, you stop. Be mindful that these are impulsive thoughts. These will come, but they will definitely go in a minute or two. तो मुझे इन पे एक्शन लेने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. Because slowly, even if you are watching one reel, even if you are eating one processed food packet a day, in the long run it will ruin you. These things compound over time, okay? If you are thinking about something long term and consistently acting towards that, however small that action might be, it is compounding, it is building character. अंदर से तुम्हें मजबूत कर रहा है वो. And if you are on the other hand eating bad stuff, not exercising, impulsively consuming reels, it is also compounding and in a much worse way. टीनेज में 20s में आपकी हेल्थ पे कोई इफेक्ट इतना ज़्यादा पड़ता नहीं है, तो आपको लगता नहीं है कि मुझे कुछ हो रहा है. लाइक फ्यू ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स हु आर टू मच इनटू ड्रिंकिंग, अभी दे आर फिट, दे ऑल्सो कम टू द जिम वगैरह, बट दे ऑल्सो ड्रिंक. लेटर इन देयर late 20s, they'll start to notice the changes that alcohol brought to their lives. It is a slow poison. It will not show its effects right now, but surely it will show its results. It has been proven. Second, when you are aware of these thoughts, you don't act on them, and then you build the awareness of things that you can do for long-term things. How will you cultivate this awareness? By watching videos like this. If you haven't still subscribed, please do. कि एक पेंशन स्कीम भी होती है, उसमें पैसे डालेंगे तो फिर मेरी फाइनेंशियल सक्सेस प्लान कर लूँगा मैं. एक हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस भी होता है कि अगर मुझे आगे जाके कोई एक्सीडेंट होता है, then I'll get the money. Like basic things. If you are doing these things for a long amount of time, bravo. So here are some practical steps that you can take today or in a couple of years, every day. If these decisions will make you a long-term thinker and much more successful. First, you should set a long-term goal. If you don't know how to set a long-term goal, I have made a full no BS guide on how to make a long-term goal. Watch it right after this video. By tonight, you should watch this, have a long-term goal in your hand before you go to sleep. That's the action step. Second, you need some kind of accountability, because when you fall off this long-term plan, these people or these mechanisms will push you to fall into that again, to do that again, and that is very important. Second thing is, you need to develop this mindset of continuous growth and continuous learning. You need to be aware of more such things, right? So develop this mindset that I need to learn one thing before I go to bed today. This will drastically change you, and these learnings compound. If you are in your teens and 20s, start doing this right away. There are many things to do, but a good diet, a good exercise routine, developing a budget for planning your finances in the future. These all things require time and effort and thinking. So start thinking about these things, because as you age, you will be very apt in all these things if you plan for these abhi se. Most of your friends will not. Most of the people who are watching this video also will not take action. So if you can guarantee that you will take action, you will be in the top 1% of all people.